ngwatanio ya Azimio wani Kenya ni alulumilia kana maminista olote ala President William Ruto unyuvie kuma chamani cha ODM maindie kwa Ruto kwa wendi wo idi maina uadhimo wa ODM kana ngwatanio thini wa muthenya ungi wa unenania muvyu kukonia itambia yi ndongo ya ODM Raila Odinga kwa ivinda yambe kuma kwi iyo ni waweta emendea ana usio na uthukumi mwailu nthini wa kwa kandi vala ateti ala angi Azimio kana nthini wa Azimio ta Kalonzo Musyoka mavithwa yu uteti wa vaamusi we moko ni ma Kalonzo ivindani yi kikungu cha uteti wa mwanya wa mwene kivila wa AU kikwatite mwaki Benjamin Mwaka yu nuko ripoti.
Mutongoi wa ODM Raila Odinga kwa ivindambe nwayumilia kukathi ya unyuvi wa amwe ma memba make ma ODM ndinwanza maimbya ya Musumbe. Raila nwawete mende useo kuthukuma serikali na ena mwikeo nimeutethesia serikali ndinwa mivango yake ya maendeleo. Raila nwalumililia muungamo wa ana anini makeli Hali Hassan Joho na Wycliffe Oparanya, mwene kivilo wake wa ODM John Mbadi na munene wa Azimio mbungeni James Opiyo Wandayi kulika serikali ni we muungamo woe ne hinditi wa chama aiweta vaingwangwa atanio hivo katika wa ODM na serikali ya Kenya Kwanza. Muungamo wala withitu ilumililwa ni mwandiki munene wa chama ki Edwin Sifuna na ndini wa kikalona ndikimama uvo atongu ya langi ndino wa ngwatani ya Azimio mutongoi wa Wiper DAP Kenya chama cha Jubilee na siama ilingi ndino wa ngwatanio ini mabingilela ODM ndino wa Azimio na alama na ndie serikali ni kuma ODM maendie kwa wenduo ene vala maende ya kuthingilela kulika serikali ni kwa nene na kumuvunania mwene nthi.
Kenyans desire genuine reforms, sound leadership and openness in the administration of public affairs. Cosmetic procedures and incompetence recycling of Ruto by Ruto will not help in any way. Number 5, we reiterate that we will neither support nor take part in the proposed broad-based government of national unity. We believe that it is the greatest betrayal of Kenyans and especially Gen Zs and the millennials.
Kuyanana na Azimio nekana yue vinda ne vikie Raila he kunenza watetu wa vamusi na yikia viti wonde ndino watetu ukitwa kukitia mwama mwene kivila ndino wangwatu ya This Africa AU. Vala Azimio ya weta yu tetu wa vamusi wa ngwatu nyo with watongo iwe ni Kalonzo Musyoka.
We would also like to take this opportunity to thank our leader, Right Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, who has led our coalition successfully since its formation. We know that the Right Honorable Raila Odinga's quest for the African Union Commission leadership will enter a critical stage beginning next month. We all wish him luck as he prepares to take on the continental duties. As Azimio, and as you have witnessed in the recent past, His Excellency Kalonzo Musyoka has continued to lead us while Raila has been out seeking for the leadership of the African Union. And we continue to ask him to guide us as a coalition, even as Raila gets to enter the critical stage of his bid for the AUC. We have been led by our leader here, and we know and we have resolved that he continues leading us, even as we allow Raila to continue with the AUC campaigns.
Vilingi wa mauvo kuma vamusini wa Ilovi nye nito wa Benjamin Mwaka.